Dealing with the IRS can be extremely stressful, especially when it involves your hard-earned money. Lots of people in the past have had nightmarish experiences with the IRS over their taxes. But if you receive a letter in the mail claiming to be from the IRS or claiming to be related to an IRS matter, don't panic. In this video, we'll give you 5 easy tips to identify legitimate IRS letters and to avoid falling victim to a scam. First things first, the IRS customer service number is 1-800-TAX, that's 829-1040. Scam letters often provide you with a 1-800 number and they urge you to take immediate action. If the number is anything other than that 1-800-TAX, 829-1040, it could very easily be a scam. Also, the IRS doesn't take Visa gift cards for payments of a tax liability. Second, the IRS follows a very specific process and they use very technical language in their communications. If you receive a letter claiming emergency urgency without any previous notice, it's probably not from the IRS. The IRS doesn't send threatening messages like seizure or forfeiture is imminent or final demand for payment. Also, the IRS does not contact taxpayers via email, text messages, or social media for getting your personal or your financial information. This next one I covered in the book that it's available on my website, but legitimate notices from the IRS often have codes in the upper right or bottom right corner of the paper, like this letter right here, circled in red. You can check the IRS website or the glossary of my book for specific terms and codes to confirm the letter's authenticity. Last, don't assume that the letter is legitimate just because it contains your personal information. Sadly, scammers know they can obtain this kind of information through public records. Lastly, don't fall victim to threats. The IRS will never threaten to send the police or any other law enforcement officers to your business or home, or revoke your licenses or immigration status. If a letter includes these kinds of specific threats, it's definitely not legitimate. The IRS doesn't provide advance warning of impending doom or actions that might give somebody the opportunity to flee. And lastly, seek professional advice. If you're uncertain about the authenticity of a letter or concerned about your financial future, it's wise to consult with a qualified tax professional. See, they can help you differentiate between genuine IRS correspondence and scams, as well as guide you on how to respond if necessary. Dealing with the IRS can cause a lot of anxiety, but by following these 5 simple tips, you can protect yourself from falling victim to a scam. Remember, verify the phone numbers, be cautious of extreme language, check for proper identification of an IRS letter, disregard personal information as proof, and consult with a qualified tax professional when in doubt. Remember, stay safe and be informed to ensure your financial well-being. If you need qualified professional tax assistance, please consider contacting me, Josh, at Best Tax Pro to help you navigate the IRS matters. We can help you find the best exit strategy from your tax problem.